Hi Vikas, how are you? Welcome to this feedback session.
Hi, Saurabh. Good afternoon. Doing great.
Great, great. So, Vikas, recently you have completed some of your training courses from I-Medita, right?
Yeah,
Right. So, could you please help us about your journey with I-Medita for what all courses you have enrolled here and how was your overall experience with I-Medita?
sure. So recently I got enrolled into the Palo Alto training program, which was conducted for the weekend batches, that too by the Baldev sir. As obviously my past experience with the I-Medita is so great, so there was no second thoughts for enrolling for the Palo Alto training program again into the I-Medita. While coming up to the feedback for the Palo Alto, yes, the training program was really great, and the documentation part provided by the IMEDA is also good. You will see the whole lot, bunch of books, but yeah, the precise and the crisp and clear way of describing the problems and the configuration part in the Palo Alto with the screenshots as well are really helpful. And anybody, any layman's language, it has been explained that anybody can learn it. So it was very much great to be getting trained under the Baldevs.
Great. And recently you have also switched to a new company. So, the courses which you have done with I-Medita, were these courses and knowledge useful during the interview?
To be very honest with you, the knowledge and pursuing my career in the networking domain, the complete knowledge and the dedication goes to the I-Medita Institute, because the training program provided by the Surendra Baldev and the, what I can say that there was one crash course kind of session taken care by the Sugan sir, I guess. So that was really helpful into it. Yeah. And the PD sessions provided by the Shweta ma'am was again the helpful into it, because that help us to grow into the non-technical part, and the technical training help us to grow into the technical domain.
Great.
And yes, the past experience with the current experience and the training program provided by the IMRITA and the for the Palo Alto as well helped us a lot to switch the career.
Great. So before Palo Alto, you were part of job-oriented course a couple of years back, right?
Yeah, it was a CCI integrated program in which it was including the 5 courses: CCNA, NP, and CCNA security. And in terms of security, it was also additional courses of the CCNP security and CCI security as well.
Great. So what are the three things you liked about I-Medita during your 4 5 years of experience here with us?
Being very honest, the dedication teaching of the faculties and the way of teaching of the faculties and the lab access, the brainstorming questions which are done by the faculties are really great, which helps you to groom yourself, and it makes you think on the how you can grow more technical into it.
Great.
And the repetitive sessions taken care in the PD sessions by the Shweta ma'am is again an additional plus, because it grooms you again in the terms of in the non-technical things, like while talking to HR, while preparing it for the interviews and all stuffs.
Great. So how would you rate I-Medita on a scale of 10 if you have this opportunity?
Is there any possibility to rate it 11?
No.
I would do that. So we can go for 10 on 10.
Great. Thank you. Any suggestion or feedback to other candidates looking to grow their career into the similar space?
So if anybody wants to boom the career in the networking, the solution is I-Medita.
Okay, great. Thank you, Vikas. We wish you all the very best for future success. Thank you for your time.
Most welcome, Saurabh. Thank you so much. Good day.